after understanding what is metaverse, let us quickly understand what are the features of metaverse. As you can see, digital avatar is the most salient feature of metaverse. Remote work, effective remote work culture, effectiveness could be improved, decentralization will be encouraged, hardware, infrastructure requirement will be there. And whenever we talk about virtual world where AI plays significant role, security privacy issues are very important. So that is also going to be one of the salient feature of metaverse. So what are the features? As you see the virtual environment where people are interacting virtually. Avatars that are creating digital avatars of oneself as a way to express one's emotions and feeling as it seems as a the actual or real expression of feelings and emotions. Avatars can be altered and can resemble their users' real life counterparts in the same way. With the help of keyboards, joysticks, mice, and specialized human computer interface called as HCI devices, users may operate their avatars. So, those avatars, digital avatars, can be operated by human computer interface as well. So, this is a complete picture where you see there is a virtual world where you have data interoperability, because when you operate the virtual world, particularly the transaction marketing shopping purpose, spending money, so you need have interoperability. Data privacy is a very important factor where authentication, anonymity, anti-tampering, audits, access control. In terms of data sharing, transparency, flexibility, and adaptability. In terms of data storage, ledger, labeling, availability, and immutability are very important things, and data acquisition. So, data privacy, data acquisition, data storage, data sharing, data interoperability are very, very important factors related to the data which will be used in the metaverse, and the blockchain is going to play significant role in order to provide the flexibility and making them available for the whole world as a virtual world, so that in the large scale the deployment can happen and effectively every individual can use the metaverse services. So virtual land can be available to buy. You can see here the demand for virtual land on the metaverse is soaring now. Land can be purchased by anybody for cryptocurrencies. One is required to have cryptocurrency. The land is a non-fungible token. So everyone will have a non-fungible token, will be associated with the land, a blockchain asset class that one cannot trade for other things. Size refers to the fundamental number of pixels in the plot of metaverse realities, not that square meter or square feet, because this is a virtual world. So the size of the land will be based on, or it will be in terms of the number of pixels. Immersive experience combining VR and AR. Participants in metaverse will be able to have more immersive experiences that converge reality and virtual world by utilizing mixed reality AR and VR technologies, that is augmented reality and virtual reality. Three components are required for augmented reality to function: the connectivity of actual and virtual environment, real-time interaction, and the accurate 3D object rendering or 3D object modeling. The number one is connectivity of actual to virtual. Second is real-time interaction. Third one, accurate 3D object rendering that will actually provide the immersive experience, will give you wow feeling, wow. So you can see intersection with AI where you have physical world intersection and virtual world. So AI will provide an intersection between physical and the virtual world. It's crucial to metaverse. AI empowered chatbots are becoming more and more common in organizations. AI bots with lifelike avatars can be employed for various purposes, including sales, marketing, and customer support. So you can see in physical world, blockchain, storage, communication, and network, computational power will be there in the infrastructure, and in the ecosystem which will contribute or constitute a virtual world will be user generated content, economics, digital content, AI. And these two worlds will be interfaced by the AI as an intersection, immersive user experience by combining VR and AR, digital twins, digital avatars will be created, and content creation interface can be created where a lot of contents, in a wonderful, imaginative manner can be created in the virtual domain. Reliance on human computer interface, HCI, you see here the user is there, input devices will be there. Through input devices, user can enter the device and then computation will take place. There will be rendering in the VR system, 3D modeling and rendering, then output devices from which the user can see the 3D rendered object, 3D rendering product outcome and can feel and experience. So user commands, artificial computer generated stimuli will be there, and that will be detected computationally, computed, and rendering will be performed. So massive online computer platforms known as Metaverse comprises many diverse platform devices and individual users to a big scale. Use of HCI in creating the metaverse, specifically how to integrate user interfaces to virtual world, is crucial to attaining objective. The most crucial benefit of HCI is the need of formal training and information how to connect with computing systems. So that also is very important. Supporting Web3, Web3 is going to play a most important role in realizing the potential of what is called as metaverse. Wow, kind of metaverse. So let's define it. A new iteration of internet focused on creating a decentralized web where users can own and control the content in Web 3.0. Whereas in Metaverse, a digital space that could blend virtually augmented physical reality with physical persistent virtual spaces. Understanding the technology in terms of Web 3.0, blockchain and cryptocurrencies, NFTs, DAOs, etc. In terms of Metaverse, connectivity technologies, human interface, decentralization technologies, experiences, creator economy will be the major technologies for Metaverse. Scope of application throughout the web can be seen in Web 3.0, whereas in Metaverse still under development and potential areas of application is still under scrutiny. So the idea behind Web 3 is to create new era of internet. It is the progression of user ownership and control over their online material, digital assets, and online personas. Web 3 and Metaverse technologies work in perfect harmony with one another, and many provide the foundation of connectivity in Metaverse because Metaverse is a virtual environment prefers a decentralized web. So decentralized web will be facilitated by Web 3.0, and that will be used by the Metaverse, to provide all these services and creating digital space that would blend virtually augmented physical reality with physically persistent virtual spaces. So it will have the number of technologies, to name few of them: connecting technologies, connectivity, to provide connectivity, human interfaces, decentralization techniques, experiences, and creator economy. So Web3 is also going to play an important role in deploying, implementing, and making the metaverse reality. Thank you.